Hello YouTube, welcome to our next DVD review and our first with the documentary series. Some Disney nature for ya. We're gonna learn about flamingos in this one with the Crimson Wing. Mystery of the Flamingos. Hope you enjoyed this DVD review and we will get it sent over to the main menu immediately. Alrighty, after installing the disc you are greeted with Disney options. We look at the setup. Right, so you're not going to click that. We go to subtitles. There's English, French, or Spanish. So we're going to click none. Audio options. English, French, or Spanish. We're going to press English. Go back to main menu. We'll go to bonus features. Let's see what it will tell us. Oh, I can't show you those, I'm afraid, due to copyright. I'm so sorry about that. But let's look at the scene selection. It's a very short movie, so this is 4, 8, 12, and 14 scenes. It's very short. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you've learned a little bit more about flamingos with this DVD review. Thank you so much for watching. If you have liked what you saw, please make sure to subscribe by seeing the animation. And as always, don't forget to turn the notification bell so you don't go live from the video. Thank you all for watching. Have a nice day.
Hey baby, I wanna be near that invincible. Hey baby, I wanna just save all be too. Baby, I wanna be near that invincible. Baby, I want